Welcome to a closer look at the NicBex Retro Bar Stools featuring stylish Crazy Horse PU leather and durable metal legs. These bar stools measure 19 by 19 inches with a 39-inch height, perfect for kitchen islands or lounge areas. The S-shaped high backrest offers ergonomic support, making long seating comfortable and relaxing. Crafted with waterproof, easy-to-clean materials and high-density sponge filling, they maintain their look and comfort over time. The upgraded metal legs provide slip resistance and stability for safe, sturdy seating. Assembly is quick and simple, with everything you need to set up in under 10 minutes. These versatile stools complement various interiors, from pubs and coffee rooms to dining and entertainment spaces. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.